Hello guys, this is Dev and you are watching Life Reviewed. Motorola recently has been releasing a string of smartphones like G10 Power and G30 and Moto E7 Power, which we have here with us today. These phones are very similar in specifications. So we decided to get one and do a review later on. So today we'll be doing the unboxing of this unit. A quick disclaimer, I'm a big fan of Motorola and I've been using Motorola when it was an independent company and they released the Moto Razr. It was very famous. Let's not waste any more time and do the unboxing. So this comes in two variations. One is the 32 GB storage and 2 GB RAM. But come on, like if you want to run Android, 2 GB RAM is too less. So I got this 64 GB storage and 4 GB RAM version. So let's do the unboxing. Lots of seals here, quite neat. These days the phone boxes are going down. Some companies are cutting out the chargers. I hope this is not the case with this. So yeah, this has 5000 mAh battery with a 10-watt charger, not a fast charger mind you. 13 megapixel camera with 2 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel selfie. This is 6.5 HD plus. Again, this is not a full HD, but just an HD plus and something that they say max vision display. Let's keep this aside for the moment and let's see what else we have in the box. We have some documentation. We have a pin, the data cable. This is a USB Type-C data cable and a 10-watt charger. And yeah, nothing else. Nice. I'm glad that they did not cancel out the charger as many companies are doing these days. So that's always nice to have. So as I said, they have a case pre-installed. That is nice to have. In this price point, it's always nice to have a case. Plastic back. They have something called anti-fingerprint coating on this. So yeah, does not feel cheap at all. This is nice. Has a little bit of shine to it. And yeah, this has MediaTek Helio G25 processor, which is comparable to a Snapdragon 439. Should be fine for day-to-day tasks. So they have a coating on this. Let me remove this. And yeah, that's nice. Selfie camera. They have 3 buttons here. This is the Google Assistant button. I don't know why, but this is a trend these days. They are putting a dedicated button to this, and this is the volume button and this is the power button. Has a bit of texture to that. And yeah, so that's the unboxing for this. Guys, subscribe to the channel to see the full review of this, and I hoped you like this video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.